Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun layered card for you. You have the cute little hat and the mittens there, the snowflakes all around. That little sentiment there says, "Hope you stay warm and cozy this winter." There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course I included an envelope as well. This card can be made on any Cricut cutting machine. If you are going to be using a Cricut Joy, you will need a pre-made envelope and card base. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account on my site already, you can head to the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can take a look at all the different features of each membership and select which one is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll enter my credentials and log into my account. And now I'm logged into the website. To access the file libraries, you can head to the Files tab on the main navigation bar. Now this file is free, which means all membership tiers have access to this particular cut file. Those with free memberships can access this cut file under the Free Files page. Those with basic and premium memberships can head to the file library. For this particular file, you're going to want to look for number 494. That is the Warm and Cozy Layered card. Go ahead and click on the image, download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We have some converting that we need to do to some of the score lines and some of the draw lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel, find the envelope, highlight the score lines, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. Next, let's find the main cover panel. That's this group right here. The top layer is going to be the black outline layers, so let's highlight that, come up to the operation menu and change that to pen. We're going to keep that as a black outline. The second layer in that group is for the snowflakes. Now I have separated the two in case you want the snowflakes to be a different color than your outline layer. And you can see that it's changed those draw lines to blue. Now come over to the Layers panel, highlight that group, and select Attach. The last thing that we need to do is convert the sentiment layer. So find the text, highlight that, change it to pen. I'm going to keep this at black. Highlight the group and attach. So altogether we have converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base. We've converted the outline layer for the hat and mittens to pen. We've converted the snowflake layer to pen. And then we've converted the text on the sentiment layer to pen. Once all of that is done, go ahead and click Make It. You can see the different mats for this project, and you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so I have all the different pieces cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I do want to mention on this front cover panel, depending on the pen that you use, sometimes there might be a little bit of extra bleed with the pen, so some of the lines might not necessarily line up with the cutout. That's perfectly fine. I think that it adds a little bit of whimsy to the card, so just don't worry, don't freak out once you get everything released off of the mat. If some of the lines don't match up, I think in the long run it's going to be just fine with your card. So I'm going to go ahead and layer up this front cover panel. Alright, there's that front cover panel. Set that to the side. Let's go ahead and layer up the messaging panel. Set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the sentiment layer for the front of the card. And now you can just glue the sentiment layer to the front cover panel, or you can use foam squares if you want to add a little bit more dimension. Just like that. Let's take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Go ahead and open up that card base and add the messaging panel to the inside. Go ahead and close up the card base. And now let's add that front cover panel to the front. And there is our fun card. Let's set that to the side for a moment. I'll show you how to make the envelope. So the envelope we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add your glue to the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. And spin that envelope around. Go ahead and fold in the side flaps and add your glue to the bottom edge. With your thumbs, push up on that bottom flap and press. And that forms our envelope. And our warm and cozy layered card is all set. How easy is this card? I love that you can change everything up with the different pen color choices as well as the different papers. You can use some metallic cardstock to give some shine and shimmer to the hat and the gloves. So many different possibilities. I hope that you like this. If you like this card, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye.